Hello, you guys. It's Tuesday Newsday.
Yes, it's MSA week as well.
That's right. It's going to be a busy week. I am Misty, and I'm here with Natalie, of course.
Yes, we get to be together this week, which is so fun.
I know. I love it. We like anything that we get to do together.
Yes, that's always the best.
It makes it way more fun. And so we get to talk about Missouri Star Academy. So if you don't know what that is, it's kind of like our little schoolhouse week here in Hamilton.
Yeah, we always bring in some great designers and fabric companies and people who just love quilting, and there's going to be demos and all kinds of fun stuff.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think we have the little schedule here. And so if you don't have tickets to Missouri Star Academy itself, it's still a great time to come to town because there's so many free demos like Natalie mentioned in the shops.
Yes.
And so let's just go over the schedule since they gave it to us.
Excellent.
So on Wednesday from 10 to 10:30, Christine Ricks, who is from our Block Magazine team.
Yes, she's our creative director.
Yes, she will be there, and she's going to talk all about Block. So you'll get some behind the scenes insight in that. That'll be really cool.
Awesome.
And then from 1 to 1:30, Chelsea Swindle from She Sews Seams will be there.
That's a little bit of a tongue twister.
Yes. And then from 2:30 to 3, Jason Yenter, who is a designer with In the Beginning Fabrics, will be doing a meet and greet.
Oh, that is so great. I love his fabric.
Yep.
It's so vibrant
He's
and
so
beautiful.
talented. I'm excited to meet him. It's going to be really cool.
So on Thursday, June 11th, is Jenny's birthday. So shout out to Mom. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jenny. We love you.
Everybody's quilting mom.
That's right.
We are going to have some great demos. We have from 10:30 to 11, we'll have Cherry Hill doing beginner EPP, which is English paper piecing, and that is going to be so great. She's great. I love her.
Yep.
From 11:30 to noon, we'll have a meet and greet with Tammy Jones of Hometown Quilt Company, and she's super fun. Tons of energy.
I was going to say a ball of energy. She's a blast.
Yes, she's so fun and so friendly and like giving, and she just makes you feel loved.
I agree.
Also from 1:30 to 2, we have Jess Barrera from Sally Tomato, and that is bound to be fascinating. She makes the most beautiful purses and has all this amazing hardware and tips and tricks for all kinds of cool things. And then from 2 to 2:30, we'll have Michael Nardi from Bryn Mawr Quilts, and he is one of my very best friends, and he has a ton of energy and really great tips and tricks, hacks for making things that are really complex seem easy.
He's a lot of fun. You guys will enjoy him. So
yes, it's going to be great.
And so then besides that, our next big event in town is, of course, our birthday bash.
Yes.
And it's our 18th birthday.
I can't believe
we're like a full-blown adult.
Yes, that's so crazy. I know. You look back on it and you're like, how did the time go by so fast?
I don't know. I was actually looking back at old photos the other day, and it was from our 7th or 8th birthday bash.
Yeah.
And it feels like yesterday.
It does.
You know?
Like that just happened. It can't be that long ago.
Exactly. So thank you guys for being on this wild ride with us. And
yes, and hopefully many more.
Yes, exactly. Many more to come. And hopefully we will see you this September. It's September 16th through 19th right here in Hamilton. And we're calling it our Hamilton Homecoming. And so we have all kinds of fun themes.
I think it's a nod to mom and dad coming home.
Yes.
But it's also sort of like adjacent to like homecoming week at high school, right? When the seniors are getting ready to graduate and they have all those spirit week days where they do all kinds of fun things and activities, and I think that it's a great theme for us. We're really gonna play it up.
There will be dress up days, so you guys will have to come prepared to celebrate all the greatness that will be Birthday Bash week.
Yes, check the website periodically and your email for all that information.
I think
even if you don't get like tickets to specific events, still come because we have so many free things going on. There's always like cakewalks and demos and the vendor village, and Birthday Bash is just a great time to be in town.
That's exactly what I was going to say. If you don't have tickets to something, please don't worry. Come to town because the energy and inspiration is just top tier. So
it is. It's the best time to be in Hamilton.
Yeah, it's a blast. So we will see you there. And besides that, we wanted to just share some quick little patriotic things that you can either work on because the 4th of July will be here just right around the corner.
Yeah,
so
and I
wore my little shirt.
So cute. I need to make myself something cute for 4th of July this year. I'm excited about it.
Just easy, so yeah,
it's cool.
So Jake and I always host a party at our house every year, so I have a lot of red, white, and blue decor and quilts and things. And
it's the most epic Independence Day party ever.
It pretty much is. We have a good time. We play motorcycle soccer. So, you know.
Yes, there's food and fun and family and fireworks.
And fireworks. Jake always loves to tell everyone that when he was young, because his birthday's just a few days after the 4th of July, he always thought that it was a party for him. So he loves the fireworks. It's his favorite thing. And so he goes
puts
all
on
out.
a great show.
He really does.
He's really, really talented.
We enjoy it. And so we thought we would just share a couple little projects. This is called Rocket's Red Glare.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's just a little wall hanging. There's a tutorial that I did a few years ago on that one. Really simple little piecing.
I love it. It's so cute. Looks like we've got a table runner with some embroidery on it.
Yes,
we have like a
absolutely.
patriotic embroidery.
We do.
It looks like
Can you get
it
in
goes.
here, Katie?
Oh, it's both directions.
Yeah,
so
so you
this
can-
is for the table.
Yeah.
Okay. So we've got like this really cute little USA here. Love that.
And this says from sea to shining sea.
That's
adorable.
cute. We've got this really cute little pillow here.
Yeah, that's a bonus,
I love the
I
big
think.
stitch around the edges. That's one of my favorite things to add to any quilted project is just that big running stitch. It's
It
so
just gives
simple.
so much detail. Yeah.
Yeah, and it looks so cute. It's
Little
very
bit of
like
texture.
handmade. Yeah, I love that.
I agree. And then so these
All
are just
right.
a couple of full-size quilts. This is one that came out not that long ago. It's called Sidestep. And then these are
Really
mine and
cute.
Natalie's double takes.
Yeah,
So
on the Ribbon Star. So if you want to look up these quilts, they're both Ribbon Star quilts from the double take that we did last year.
Yeah,
They're very easy to make, I promise.
exactly. So, you know, hopefully this gave you a little bit of inspiration to stitch up some red, white, and blue.
Yeah.
And I think that's all we have to cover this week. So it was good to
I
spend
think
time
so.
with you.
Yes,
And
it's always good. Always good to get together and hang out. It's one of those, you know, fun times of year where we're all super busy and so we can kind of get our heads down in our own avenues
Yes.
and then just getting back together is so great.
Absolutely. And so hopefully we will see you guys these next couple of days
Yes.
here in town. Have a great week.
See you later.